Supragingival calculus. Supragingival calculus is a hard deposit from through the mineralization of the dental plaque that are located coronal above the gingival margin. The calculus itself is considered as a plaque retentive factor. Location, appearance, consistency. Locations and visibility. Supragingival calculus is visible upon routine clinical examination because it is situated in the coronal to the crest of the marginal ridge. Then the color and consistency is a white and yellowish color. The color can be affected by the factor of uh, such as tobacco, smoking, and food pigment. It is the hard clay-like consistency. The common site of calculus. The calculus formation is from appearance in the frequency of the lingual surface of mandibular incisor and facial surface of maxillary molar. This distribution is attributed to proximity of this area, the orifice, the salivary gland duct. It may also be observed covering the occlusal surface of the teeth. That local form, that local functional antagonist. Formation and composition. Calculus is the form of the result of the mineralization and calcification of the plaque biofilm. The procedure of the plaque biofilm is the prerequisites for calculus formation. Mineral source, primary source of mineral for the supragingival calculus in saliva, and crystalline structures like supragingival calculus consist of 70 to 90 percentage of inorganic content. Um, the crystalline form the crystalline form is found with the structure of the hydroxyapatite crystal, octacalcium octocalcium phosphate. These are the brushite in almost common in the mandibular anterior region. Then the chemical characteristics, the calcium to phosphate ratio of the supragingival calculus is lower than that found in subgingival calculus. Calcification process. The calcification can start quickly, sometimes after a little 4 to 8 hour plaque formation. Then the minimal precaution is leads to the formation of the intensity, the local rise in pH, alkaline environment, often brought about by the loss of carbon dioxide. When saliva flow out of duct arteries, the calcification is being along the inner surface of the biofilm adjacent to the tooth structure. Microbial profile attachment. Microbial profile. The microbial profile of supragingival calculus is predominantly characterized by the filamentous microbes. These microbes are generally oriented at the right angle of the surface of the teeth. Then the attachment supragingival calculus is easily detectable from the tooth surface. The rate of is rapid. The calculus is must be attached to the surface of the tooth surface in the wire to the several mechanism. It includes the organic pellicule, the mechanical looking in the surface irregularities, close adaptation of unaltered cementum or bacterial penetration in the cementum surface. Clinical significance. Although the calculus does not contribute directly to the gingival inflammation, become the mineralized microbes is hardly capable to metabolic activity. It is a crucial local factor. The calculus provide an ideal environment for bacterial biofilm growth. It retain the dental plaque, which is primary contributor in the gingival inflammation. The hygiene obstructions, it is the mechanical obstructions to the potential oral hygiene measure, prevent the adequate plaque removal and reservoir of toxin due to the porous nature. The calculus can absorb and act as a reservoir of the antigenic material, toxin, bone resorbing factors of bacterial origin. Management of the removable calculus is other local predisposing factors. These are considered on the main starting point of comprehensive uh, periodontal therapy. Scaling is a process which is biofilm calculus is removed from the tooth surface.